Good day, sir. I'm Kingsley Vidal from CP2E, and welcome to my project presentation on the forward difference method calculator. Streamlit powered web application designed to help users to estimate the derivatives numerically. As you can see here, may isang code na ginamit, isang Python. First is nag-import for Streamlit and PSync POI and Matplotlib and read. Next the configure Streamlit layout. Naka-center siyang layout. Then the page title and description. Nandari ang page titles and descriptions. Then utility functions. Then next is the station state default. It initializes the default empty values for users input if they don't exist yet. So enabling the persistent state across user interactions. Next, the input sections. Muna siyang input sections. The next is the reset logic. When reset is clicked, the clears the input values and refreshes the app. Next, the reputations and displays. So when the when the user click the calculate, the input is processing. Sanitize the function strings and convert and inputs to floats and uses the same POI to parse the function's expressions and create the killable numeric functions and define. So, Malaysia na ang exact derivative and the round results, and that leaves the output displays. Sa output displays, nasa diri ang mga results it shows the functions, the formula, and the forward difference results, and the exact derivative, and an error, and the symbolic derivative. Next is the step-by-step box. It is an expandable box. Once nga sa user yan i-click, and it shows detailed latex rendered math steps. Included input functions, forward difference formula, and substituting values, applying the formula, and exact derivative formula and value, and lastly is the absolute error. Next is the plotting section. Dito na ito makita ang plots a graph with narito ang color black and tangent line exact derivative in blue, and the second line for forward difference is red, and the vertical line showing the show, and this visualization helps to compare the approximate derivative second with the exact tangent slope. Next is practice the error handling. If anything goes wrong, invalid input or parse error, an error message is shown. Ano siya, hindi nato siya nag-run. Code. May siyang Python -m stream.run app.py. So now, as you can see here, this tool is so the title tool is forward difference method calculator, and forward difference formula is written sa Malaysia. Then it's a numerical method used to estimate the derivative of functions using forward data points. So let's go through the quick example. So, ay pang input tag ko x to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 2 and 1 for x value and 0.1 for step size. Then the decimal place is for result is 4. So let's calculate. So the calculator now shows the functions we entered, the approximate derivative using the forward difference formula, the exact derivative computed, symbolic using the same py, and the absolute error between two results. So this helps us to see how close the numerical approximation is to exact value. So next is to enhance the learning. So I've also include the step-by-step breakdown of the solutions. So say click. So another the input functions, the forward difference formula, and substituting values, applying formula, an exact derivative, and the absolute error. So this is a great for students trying to understand not just the result but how the results was derived. So next is the last is we have a visual plot comparing the exact derivative, tangent line, and the forward difference approximation second line. So the tangent line shows in blue and represent the true slope at the point X, while the red dash second line shows the forward difference estimate using the chosen edge. So this visual makes it easier to understand the geometric interpretations of the derivative. So if we can also click the reset to clear for the form and try to another examples instantly. So and let's walk through of my forward difference method calculator. So it combines the symbolic math and numerical methods and visualizations into an interactive tool for exploring the derivatives. And thank you for watching.